Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to show you Sega Genesis and a PSP Vita. PsVita. Sega Genesis. In my description there will be a link and where to get the service for modding a PsVita. Binil, he did an awesome job from Tampa. Got it to me really quick. He charged $75. It is awesome. As you can see, I have all the emulators, but this is the Sega one. As you can see, Sega Genesis, hit start. Okay, see, you click the top button, hit next, and as you can see, it has every game for Sega Genesis. Every game. Name it, it has it. Whatever game you liked it when you was young, you have it. It is awesome. If you press right, it will skip it a little quicker. I mean, every game, every game. So I'm gonna put everybody's favorite game, which it was Sonic. And as you can see, it has every Sonic game. So I'm gonna put look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. Well, like I said, if you have any question about the service, comment below. I will contact him, or you can contact him yourself. I will give you the link and where to buy the service. You have to ship it to him and he will ship it back. Well, if you have any questions, comment below, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.